Okay, if someone has any question, they can ask, no problem, but at the end of the webinar. If I'm not audible and if any problem occurs, please tell me fast. Is there any problem on video or audio? Anyone, please?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, no? Okay. So, again, I welcome you all in this presentation. And today's topic is C and C++ language free webinar to inform about training and internship program with a certificate. I have already told you my introduction. My name is Satish Kumar Dhivar and I am founder and software engineer. And also I have worked as a software developer. My portfolio was as a website developer. Okay. And I have worked 3+ years as a software engineer. And now I have started my own company, which name is Engineering Tutor, which is a software solution providing company and also a training providing company. Abhijit Giri Goswami, he is my friend and electrical engineer, and also he is managing director and a Google certified digital marketing expert. Due to the flow, we are starting this again. Okay, if any problem, please ask me. If you are facing any problem on recording or anything, you can ask me now. You all can see now, not any problem. So shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please mute from the side. Please be mute and those who are not attending this webinar. So we will not allow them after 12:30. Okay. So we have discussed about our work. As you all know, we are a team of experienced software engineer and Google certified digital marketing expert, and we have 3+ year experience in the field as a trainer. And we have trained more than 200 students offline within 5 months. Last 5 months, this presentation is conducting by the Digital SMS Wala, which is my.
Sir, we are not able to listen. Sorry for the interruption.
Not able to hear. Now voice is clear.
Yes.
Voice is clear or not, please?
If someone has any issue, please ask. Voice is clear or not?
I think voice is clear now. So we are continuing. Okay. So we have trained more than 200 students in last 5 months, online plus offline, and we are now going to train more people with the help of our free training program. And we are a team of Google certified digital marketing expert who also working with multiple digital marketing agencies. Some more participants are trying to join, but we will not allow them. So let's come to the point. Before starting, let's discuss about something. As we have discussed about the languages and we have discussed about the C language, we want to go further on our training program and information. Abhijit, if you are present, please say Ajink Tower. There is some technical problem, so he couldn't join. So please say him refresh his internet and after that try. Every time that is I'm accepting him but not going to allow. Okay, please tell him personally. Thanks. And now we will discuss more and more about the 15-day online C and C++ language training program. And as we have discussed, we are not taking any charges from you, and we are also providing you certification for this 15-day online training program. And let's see what you will learn here. Okay. So we are going to learn about C and C++, some basic module with practical training and certification. And we are also going to learn all the practical knowledge with the help of C and C++ training program. We are going to teach you online all the practical training, and we are also focusing on how you can build your own logic and how you can start your programming from scratch. Now you are going to get the training online, and you can get training and certificate of this 15-day training program with CNC++ 15-day free training certification. And one more special announcement at the end of the webinar, we have discussed about that, a high demanding course. We are providing you with 50% discount. But before discussing about that, we want to tell you something about what we are going to learn in this 15-day free training program. So we are going to learn about how you can write a C program and perform input, output, and data type operations. How you can write a C program and how you can enter two numbers and find their sum. Write a C program to enter two numbers and perform all the arithmetic operation related to plus, minus, multiplication, all the operation you will learn here with the help of all the practical training program. You will also learn how you can enter length and width of the rectangle and find its parameter. All the syllabus I am discussing with you all, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me, no problem. Okay, write a C program and enter length and width of the rectangle and find its area. Write a C program to enter radius and circle and find its diameter, circumference, and area. Write a C program to enter length and centimeter and convert it into meter and kilometer. We will also discuss this all logic with you all and how you can create a good program with good logic. Write a C program to enter temperature and Celsius and convert it into Fahrenheit. All the basic program we are going to discuss in this presentation, and also we are going to learn all this program in our webinar, which is free for you all. Write a C program to enter temperature in Fahrenheit and convert into Celsius. We have second slide also available. Write a C program to convert days into years and week and days. Write a C program to find power of any number like x ki power y. Write a C program to enter any number and calculate the square root. And lot of questions are here present. You can see here many questions are here, and also you can write a C program and enter PTR and calculate simple interest and compound interest also. Please be mute, okay? We will discuss all the things personally with in our group, and also you can ask question in the end of the webinar. We will give you chance. But before that, we are late and we are going to discuss all the things, which is very important. So as we have discussed about the free training program, all the modules which is related to the free training program, we are going to discuss it, and also we are going to what we are going to give you in this free training program. Now we have some more modules available with our basic to advanced course training. Okay, we will also provide you syllabus of this training, and this is a paid training program. We have discussed you all about the free training program, and now I am discussing with you all about the free training program, paid training program. And this is, we are providing you in the special price, and this is only for 30 students we are providing with the special price, which is very low. Okay, in this paid training program, what you will learn? First, you learn. First, you see here what you are going to learn. We will learn C, C++ basic to advanced course, in which you will learn all the concept related to C. You will learn if else condition, switch statement, function, array, database, how you can create, how you can create a program for inserting a database. Okay, inserting a data, deleting a data, how you can create a linked list, how you can create a stack operation, how you can create queue operation, how you can create a file handling operations with the help of C. You will all learn in this paid training program. And also we will discuss about pointers and all the things which is in our syllabus. You will learn all important topic with our live projects, and also you will learn online practical training every day with less theory and more practical modules. Logic building session and training we will also provide you, so you can create your own logic and create your own programs. And how you can get this training and certificate we have also told you. Not we have not we have only one program available. We have also program available for the C, C++ training, Java, Python with machine learning, Python with R, machine learning with R, machine learning with Python, And also we have digital marketing training available, and also we have machine learning and data science training available. So in today's topic is for discuss about the C++ training. So this we are providing you all. If you want to go through the paid course, if you want to go through the paid course, we keep this all paid course in this special price. This price is only 4,000 rupees only. If you want to go through the paid course, we will also guide you for your interview question, your interview preparation, and we will also provide you one uh, training program, which is aptitude training program, which is free of cost if you want to go through the paid course. Okay, the charges are very negotiable, and also very negligible charges in comparison to the program. Okay, and we have also one more program we have discussed. This is 50% off for you all, and this is our digital marketing training program, in which we will provide you Google certification, how you can get Google certification, how you can give the taste of every Google certificate, and you can pass in every Google examination, which is related to digital marketing. We will also provide you internship certification if you go through this training program, and also we will provide you digital marketing certification. In this paid program, you will get 3 certification in this digital marketing course. For this course, you can also enroll and you can inquire us. And also, I want to tell you something about this. C, C++, you have 2 plans available. First is free of cost plan for you all. If you want to go through free of cost plan, write in message, we want to go through the free 15-day certification program. Give your name, your email address, your mobile number, and your location. We will provide you digital certification, and also we will train you this all syllabus which we have discussed for the free training program. And if you want to go through the paid training program, which is 4,000 rupees only, and in this we will also provide you one aptitude test free of cost, and also we will discuss all the interview discussion with you all, what the interviewer is going to ask you related to C question. You can also enroll this program. The classes are starting from 1 of June for this paid training program. You can also join this, and after the 1 June, the special price is going to increase, and the price you will get this training, that will be become 6,000. But now in this situation, we are providing you this training in 4,000 rupees only. And also digital marketing course which you are getting here before 1 May, these prices are 4,449. But after the 1 May, after the 1 June, sorry, after 1 June, you will get this course, the same course in 6,449. But in this time, if you want to enroll for this, you also need to pay this much less amount. Okay, and end of the webinar, I want to share you something more. We are giving you an information about the special finance marketing course, which is free of cost for you all, from the side of elearnersmarketers.com, which is available for you all in Hindi and English both. And you can use this coupon code TEG100, and also you can enroll for this course, and you can get this course free of cost, which cost is 6,000 only. Use this code, 100% off offer from the elearnersmarketer.com. You can go here and you can get your certification. Sorry. With these 2 lines, I am closing this presentation now. We all hoping for you all good future, and you all are good listener, and also you all are good participants. And if you want to go through any of the program, please ping us, and we will also guide you for all the program. Okay, and we are also going to introduce you everything, and we will hoping for your good future. Okay, thank you very much. From my side, I'm closing this presentation. Thank you. I'm ending this webinar now. Thank you. Thank you all.